Hello crew, morning from Moscow. Look at that view. How gorgeous is that? There's snow everywhere and we're about to go out. I'm gonna rush out because the crew are already downstairs and I'll take you along. We're in the Red Square. So pretty. Guys, it's so cold. We're at the Red Square. It's so nice. And they're just at the Christmas market, which I'm assuming we're gonna miss because it's probably gonna be open in December, and we're not here in December probably. But so pretty. It's so cold. I have to change my hands because my hand is freezing. It's so cold. How cold is it? It's so cold. It's so cold. It's like -1. I think it's like -1. It's freezing. Because it's way too cold. How fancy. So we have to wear a mask inside, but like look how nice. There's like all these Christmas trees. One thing about me is like I get so excited about Christmas. I hope I'm not gonna get copyright with this music where I'm gonna cut. Look how cute! So pretty. The shops are so nice. Just got in the restaurant because it's so cold. And we're gonna get some nice things. So cute. You guys are full. I'm gonna get something to eat. Thank you.
Cheers. With cherry cake, please. Wow.
That looks so cute. So nice.
I'm actually
I got pies. I was pretty hungry. No one got food though, except for us two. So we're trying to look for a museum. It's like right here. We just went to this restaurant and we had some snacks, something to eat, something warm because it's so cold. And look how nice here. The last time I've been here, maybe like 3 years ago now. I flew with one of the girls who I joined the company with. Her name is Laura. We joined together and we did the flight together. And we were duty-free operators together on this flight. I just remember everything. We came here for the first time. It was so nice. It's so cold now. It's so cold. So what I'm doing right now is like instead of buying souvenirs, I'm buying baubles from everywhere I go. So every Christmas I have like a souvenir from everywhere, every country I'm going to. And this place, $20 for a bauble. Oh, thank you. We're walking to the Bolshoi. It's where the ballet is held in. I feel like you're not hearing me because I'm speaking through my phone. Where the ballet is takes place in Moscow, so we're gonna watch that. Oh yeah, for sure. This is the Bolshoi place where the ballet is held in Moscow. We just came in here to get something warm. So we found this like traditional place in Russia, and I'm gonna buy this for my flatmate. It's her birthday tomorrow, so I think they're super cute. Something for her to like enjoy. So I think we're just gonna go for lunch. I feel like it's a vlog of me eating all the time. It's like a cute sweet shop, but we're just gonna go. I think we're gonna try to take the metro. It's the first time I'm ever gonna try to take the metro in Moscow, but apparently it's like easy to take. So I'm gonna show you if you ever come here how to use it. Guys, super easy. Just click 1 fare and pay by card, and this is the ticket. And just go in, and I think like you just validate it once, and we're just gonna use 1 fare, so it's easy. So it's almost time to go now. I need to be downstairs in 10 minutes. Because it's so cold here, as part of the uniform, it's mandatory to wear the Emirates winter coat, which I think is so beautiful. I'm gonna put that on now. So I'm gonna wear it before I go downstairs. And I should have everything ready and prepared. I think it looks so pretty. This one. I need my room key. I just packed everything. My room key. I want to keep the metro ticket as a souvenir for my journal. If some of you know, I journal. I write every flight that I ever do on a journal I have back home. And yeah, it's time to go. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.